Good morning, all of you. Today's class, we are going to see a question CBSE Delhi 2000 year. This question was asked by the CBSE board Delhi 2007, class 12 physics. Let me read out the question. The electric field E due to any point charge near it is defined as E is equal to limit Q tends to 0 F by Q, where Q is the test charge and F is the force acting on it. What is the physical significance of limit Q tends to 0 in this expression? This is first part of the question. Second part of the question is, draw the electric lines of point charge Q when Q is greater than 0 and Q is less than 0. So the question is, what is the significance of the test charge? So electric field is given by limit Q tends to 0. That means the charge is negligibly small when compared to this source charge. So I have given positive charge, it can be negative or anything. Similarly, the test charge can be positive, negative, okay, it can take any type of charge. So the question is, the basic understanding is, this is very big and this is negligibly small. So what is the significance of this equation is, suppose assume this is positive charge and this test charge is also positive. Now if you try to move this positive charge towards this plus Q, okay, now there is a force, but it is a repulsive force. You assume that the impact of this test charge cannot move this from the defined location or at a specified point. That is, the value of the test charge is not that big so that this source charge is moved, but there is a force between this plus Q and this plus Q, and it is going to be repulsive, or if it is going to be negative and a negative, then also it is repulsive, positive and negative, attractive force, minus and positive, then also it is attractive force. So the idea is, this is highly negligible, that is first point. Even if you try to move this, a work is done, but this charge does not have an effect over plus Q just because the value or the magnitude of plus Q is very large, so that it is not moved away from its specified location. That's why we put limit Q tends to 0. Q tends to 0 means what? The test charge assumes a negligible value. But because of two charges, there is a force. So force by this test charge, definitely this will have some value. So that is the significance of this formula, that is electric field is equal to limit Q tends to 0, but practically Q cannot be, the test charge cannot be 0. But we are assuming it is infinitely negligible charge compared to this source charge. So that is the significance of this equation. The second part of the question is, we have to draw the electric field lines. Suppose if you have positive charge plus Q, negative charge, two cases can arise. So in this case, the electric field is going to move away from the source charge. See, all the electric fields are directed outside, away. But in the case of minus q, negative charge, source charge, the electric field is directed towards the negative charge. So this is how you have to draw the electric field lines in the case of plus q and minus q. Now you are able to understand the significance of this test charge. Only one thing you have to remember, it is highly negligible compared to the source charge. That's why we write electric field is equal to limit q tends to 0 f by q. But as it is, f by q has a definite value. Hope you have understood this question. This has been asked in Delhi CBSE board question paper 2012. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.